I'll be sharing with you 5 different online side hustles that you can start for absolutely free. So number 1 is going to be Amazon KDP. Now KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. This is completely free to start, and what you do is basically create books to sell on Amazon. So you can just look up Amazon KDP and it should come right up. It's free to get started. I actually have a video right up here that I'll tag, and it goes over how to get started with KDP in 2023. So this is one of my main sources of income right now online, and I really love it, but it is definitely not going to get you rich overnight. So if you're looking for something that's going to pay you out the next day, this is not going to be it. You actually get paid for the month after. So if you get paid for April, like if I made $300 in April, for example, I wouldn't actually get that money until end of May. So this is not going to get you rich overnight, and it actually is going to require a good amount of work to make some money. However, it can turn into a great online side hustle. Number 2, this is going to be YouTube. So YouTube, again, is not going to get you rich overnight. I mean, you could be part of the 1% that does happen to, but most likely it's not going to. YouTube is sort of like the long game. Like, it's going to take time to build your channel, get monetized, find your niche, and so on. But once you are monetized on YouTube, you start earning AdSense. And this, again, is free to start, free to be a part of. You can also earn money by doing memberships on your channel. And in other ways, this is going to be number 3, you can also earn affiliate income. So you don't need to have YouTube to earn affiliate income. You can have other sources or platforms where you have an audience, but YouTube is a great way to incorporate affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you partner up with a company, usually it's free to do so, and they give you like a customized link. So for example, I'm an affiliate for a few different companies. One in particular is Canva. So Canva gives me my own personal link. So if you sign up with Canva using my link, then I kind of get like a kickback, or I get some sort of commission from that at no additional cost to you. So affiliate marketing can really add up over time and be a great additional income. You don't need to be monetized on YouTube to be a part of affiliate income. You don't even need to do this on YouTube. You just need some sort of following or some sort of audience that you can market to that are going to be interested in your products. So number 4, this is going to be user testing. User testing is also free to join, and all you have to do is go to their website, take a kind of like a practice test or more of like an intro test, and if you pass, then you're in the program. This also is not going to be something that is get rich overnight. So they do, however, pay you exactly 7 days from your first test or whatever test you took. So if you take a test for $10 at 5 p.m. on a Wednesday, you'll get paid on the exact same day and time the next week. So this money does get to you a little bit quicker, and it can be really beneficial. You can make an extra $50 a week. You can make an extra $200 a week, extra $10 a week. It all varies, but it's not going to be something that you're going to be making $2,000 on your very first day. That's just going to be unrealistic. So number 5 is going to be Gumroad. So if you have some sort of digital products that you're already selling, then Gumroad is definitely a great platform for you to go on. So it's free to get started as well. All of these are completely free. And on Gumroad, you can start selling right away. So basically, you just sign up for a free account, and then you add your products and you can sell them to basically anybody. So I, for one, have a Gumroad account, and I sell KDP interiors as well as KDP checklists, things like that. And I don't sell them for very much money, and I don't make a ton of money on Gumroad, but every dollar counts. And you can adjust your own prices and kind of go from there. You may need a way to kind of market your account. I have a link to mine in the description in all of my videos, but I'm sure there are other ways that you could do this as well. So none of these are something that's going to make you thousands of dollars overnight, unless you're part of that 1% that kind of become famous overnight and you do make a ton of money. These are probably going to take some time to actually develop and get yourself an audience. But if you already have a large following, then these can definitely be very beneficial, like affiliate marketing as well as Gumroad. For user testing, that is just your own thing. That's your own account. It doesn't really matter how much of a following you have. I feel like everybody is treated the same there. And for YouTube, if you have a large following, you can definitely gain some traction pretty quickly and start gaining AdSense, get brand deals, everything like that. And for KDP, if you already have some books in mind or you're very efficient with creating and graphic designing, everything like that, then you'll probably start creating money more quickly. But if you're like me, where I started with absolutely zero experience, then it might take some more time. Like, I just started making over $100 a month last year. I think June or something like that was my first time, and I started in December 2021. So I'm still working and growing the business, but I started with no experience. So it's definitely possible to do all of these with no experience, because that's where I started. And they may not get you to quit your job overnight, but if you keep working at it, then I fully believe that these can definitely be some great supplemental income and potentially be a full-time job. But again, I'm just going to say right now, none of this is financial advice, life advice, anything like that. These are just my own opinions and experiences. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you tried any of these side hustles in the comments below. I'd love to know how they work out. And if you have other ideas for side hustles, please feel free to share them. I feel like we're all in this together, and if we can help each other out, then that's even better. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.